Welcome Boneyard Garage. So tonight I think I'm going to give you guys a little toolbox tour. And as you can see on my toolboxes, they're nothing fancy. I don't believe in spending all the money in fancy toolboxes. I like to spend the money in the tools. So that red side cabinet I'm going to paint blue to match the toolbox, and this black one underneath this box I'm going to paint blue too, just have it match. So we'll start over here in this side box. And in this toolbox right here, if I can get it out. So in here is all my small engine rebuild tools. You got your honer, valve grinder, puller, another small honer, you know, spring compressors, valve lapper, you know, all that type of stuff is in that toolbox. And there's just a couple SK 1/2 inch, 1 3/8 and 1/4 inch kits that I take when I go on the road and have to do something. They're all together. I just leave them in there. Start in the bottom drawer. My key handles, Allen keys, Torx tips, metric, and standard. This is all just like specialty tools. These are my hose crimpers. These are my they take off AC fittings and hoses and stuff like that. You know, my mirrors, clip tools for interior door panels and stuff. And I used a lot of that when I was doing body work. And up here is my ignition drawer, my feeler gauges. And here is just plug gapper, little teeny pliers and wrenches and stuff like that. And same idea, feeler gauges and ignition wrenches. I got Snap-on, I got Mac, I got Harbor Freight, I got Craftsman, so I got a little bit of everything. And then this is my homemade spark tester. I'll put the link to that in the description box. Got that idea from Zippo. Also put his link in my description box. Some other spark testers and spark plug wire tools to take off the spark plug wires. That's pretty much all that's in the side cabinet. And up in the little box, this is all my impact, 1/2 inch. There's metric and standard in there. And over here is just some miscellaneous sockets, and there's my 1/2 inch ratchets, extensions. Pretty much up on the top box. This little drawer is just my sheetrock knives and valve stem removers and air chucks and just miscellaneous tools in there. There's just another drawer of miscellaneous tools. These are my little tiny Torx tips and a couple pocket knives and my little screw holders when you want to clip the screw in there and get them started. This drawer is just some punches, chisels, toothbrush for cleaning stuff. This is my 1/4-inch drawer with all my 1/4-inch sockets and ratchets and extensions. Yeah, ratchets. This is all my 3/8 sockets, ratchets, and here's some Pittsburgh Harbor Freight. They work okay. Screwdriver drawer, Phillips, regular. They're all just. This is all my my Torx tips and my Allen key sockets and my Torx tip drivers. Bottom drawer is just my pliers, pump pliers, regular pliers, dikes, needle nose. I leave them in there. Move on to the bottom box. This is just a work tray. My gear wrenches and just some of my big box wrenches. These are my metric wrenches, stubbies and the long ones, and just some adjustable wrenches in the back. And this is all my standard wrenches. Same, pretty much same as the, back there I got the brake line tube wrenches. Pliers, big water pumps, channel locks, tin snips, vice grips. A lot of these tools are really old. I had them over 30 years. And this is drill bits and what else I got in there? Some files, snap ring tools, torque wrench back here in this case. Hammers, wire brush, dollies, body hammers, ball peens, brass. This drawer is got a Dremel tool, my pullers. This is another puller, timing light, rivet gun. This is my X-Acto knife in this blue case, my hole saw, more hole saws over there, tap and die, it's a Mac air hammer in that case there, airbrush. That's pretty much it for that box. This box is pretty much just overflow. Some more sockets. There's some of my 1/4-inch that wouldn't fit in that drawer. Spare ratchets. Some more punches, chisels, clutch aligning tools. This is engine tools, compression tester. The Briggs & Strattons that slide over the thing to knock the flywheels off, so you don't over the shafts. All my gauges and stuff like that. Hand impacts, wire brushes in that drawer. Center drawer is battery tester and some tire plug kit, stuff like that. My other Allen key drawers. Little spanner wrenches, my spray gun wrenches, some spark plug, like chainsaw type spark plug wrenches. My whetstones. This is just like some old school ratchet wrenches. more screwdrivers, some more miscellaneous wrenches and pliers. Like I said, this is just overflow toolbox. This is all my small engine tools. This is my ratchet clutch removers, flywheel holder, chain breaker, chainsaw, chain sharpeners, a couple more valve lappers. They were my dad's. A lot of this stuff was my dad's. And we're going into the bottom box on the top drawer. All my electric grinders, electric impact, heat gun, drills, stuff like that. Some more small engine tools, valve spring compresses, ring compressor. There's a big valve spring compressor in there. A couple pullers, dent puller, staple gun, another honer, valve seat cutter. For you. Cut your valve seats. Another ring compressor. This is a socket for a Chevrolet half-ton front hub. Some miscellaneous wrenches in there again. Bottom box is all my air tools, my drills, impacts, my nibbler, die grinder, right angle grinder. There's my 3/8 impact, my 1/2 inch impact. Body works. This is a hole puncher for spot welds and a crimper if you like crimping in a quarter panel or rocker panels. That's what that tool does. And under here is just skill saw and jigsaw, carpenter tools, which I don't have much of. Cousin got every carpenter tool you can think of, so I go borrow it from him, and when he needs mechanical tools, he comes to me. So it works out. A little mini fridge, gotta have that. Okay, so in here I got a lot of my electrical tools, wire strippers, test lights, soldering guns, multimeter, power probe, zip ties, heat shrink, electrical tape, got some pinstripe in there. And these are just like wire clamps, fuses, my little jump pack, stuff like that in that drawer. And heat shrink, and there's my battery tester, coil and condenser tester. And here's some alligator clips and test leads, and butt connectors and all that kind of stuff in that drawer. That's pretty much it for this side. Come over here is my little roller cart that I take outside, do work outside or up in the driveway. You know, screwdrivers and some pliers. And there's some tips for my torches in there. You know, mechanic fingers back there. Magnets. And this drawer's sockets, 1/2 inch, 3/8 and quarter. They're all right in here. This drawer is another punch set, wrenches. Snap-on wrenches. Some more files and hammers. Just stuff if I'm outside. It's easier just to wheel the car out. That's pretty much it for my tools, you know, other than grinders and stuff that you've seen before. I just want to show you guys this, and I'm going to see how many actually know what this is. And if you do, leave a comment and let me know what it is. It's got an electric motor on it, and it's got a couple pulleys and jack shafts. This moves up and down. So if you guys know what that is, leave me a comment. And if no one gets it, then I'll tell you what it is. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Just thought I would give you a little toolbox tour. If you like what you see, please hit the thumbs up to subscribe. I think I'm up to like 140 subscribers or something like that. So I'm getting there. A lot of help from Small Engine Nation. Okay guys, have a good night. Boneyard's out.